What's up everybody, we are Diana and Phil. Diana's from the United States and I am from Germany, and in this video we're gonna go over Diana's favorite German words and phrases.
So as some of you know, I am learning German so langsam. Some of these words just sound a little funny to me, while others have pretty funny meanings, so let's get right into it.
Yes.
Okay, the first one is Schmetterling.
Schmetterling.
Schmetterling. Butterfly is what it means.
Yeah.
But it sounds so aggressive for something that's so cute.
Yeah, I think it's over memed. That's like the #1 meme for German
It really
word.
is.
All these mariposa, butterfly, and then Schmetterling.
Yeah, I think that doesn't help when people say it like that.
Yeah, but
Schmetterling.
it's just Schmetterling.
You can say it nicely. All right, the next one is Klo.
Klo.
I don't know why that one's so funny to me.
Yeah, it is kind of funny.
Yeah, it's something that we use all the time. They're like, wo ist Philipp? And I'm like, auf dem Klo.
Always.
Emma.
Always. Yeah, it's K-L-O, and it's just the toilet.
I don't know why, it sounds so cool, like a glow dance, but Klo.
Klo.
I'm in the Klo.
It really doesn't sound cool in German.
I
It's
think
just
it sounds
Klo.
cool.
And we use it for the actual toilet you're sitting on, the actual stool, but also you can ask for where's the Klo, and you basically mean the room it's in, basically, so Klo, yeah.
Is that less polite though, to be like, wo ist die Klo?
No, that's a very harmless word to say Klo. And weirdly, I went to America and where's the toilet? You found that funny in the beginning.
So weird.
Because you asked for the restroom or something.
Yeah, restroom or bathroom or the water closet? No, that's British.
Because if I ask for the toilet, I mean the actual thing, right?
The toilet.
It's like, where's the toilet?
Where am I
in
gonna
the
go?
restroom. All right.
True. Next one is a word I learned when we were going over our difficult German words to pronounce. Umweltverschmutzung.
Umweltverschmutzung.
Oh god, it sounds so sexy.
Umweltverschmutzung.
Does not have a sexy meaning. It means environmental pollution.
Yeah, it's a very bad thing. Umweltverschmutzung. You have to take serious. Should never do it. Don't litter. Do anything. Umweltverschmutzung. It's a big problem.
Why does it sound so nice? I think it's the schmutzung.
It's Umweltverschmutzung. It's funny, and since we found out about that from that other video, I said it a couple times with English speakers and they were like, oh yeah, you're right?
Sounds nice.
It's funny. Umweltverschmutzung.
Alright, next one is a pretty early word you learn in German.
Uh-huh.
Kartoffel.
Because that's how you call the Germans. Kartoffel.
No, I really like it. We call him a Kartoffel.
Kartoffel is a potato.
It's a potato.
It's like so German, and I also love them. I love everything that comes out of potatoes, like fries, fried potatoes, oven potatoes, baked potatoes. Everything is great.
Potato everywhere.
So you said at some point you're eating more potatoes than you ever did before, right?
Yeah, I've eaten more potatoes in the past 2 years than my entire life.
So
combined.
very important to know the Kartoffel.
Next one is such an interesting word / kind of saying thing. It's Earworm.
Ohrwurm.
Ohrwurm, that's it.
Ohrwurm.
We always say the English translation earworm.
Yeah, it's an ohrwurm.
Ohrwurm.
And we could call it earworm.
Yeah, we say earworm all the time.
It's a song that's stuck in your head.
Yeah, like
if
a catchy tune.
If it replays in your head again and again, you have an ohrwurm.
Yeah, it's so weird. I did not even know that's a thing until you said it. You're like, I have such an earworm right now. And I'm like, is that a disease?
Yeah.
Do you have a rash? Should we go to the doctor?
We call it earworm from that point on.
Yeah, and I looked it up because I was just curious. And apparently it does have German origins. The first time it was noted was in, I forget when.
It's right there, earworm. The word earworm is a calque from the German Ohrwurm.
Which is like a literal translation is what that means.
There you have it.
Yeah, I thought that was funny, but it's something I would never use in the US. We would just say, I have a song stuck in my head, or this tune is stuck in my head. Like, it's stuck in my head is what we would say more often. But instead, now we say, I have an earworm.
Yeah. All right, very quick reminder, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe to our channel. All of these things help the YouTube algorithm. If you want to further support us, you can do that on Patreon. It's patreon.com/DianaandPhil, and we have different tiers of benefits that you can get there for different levels of support, and every little bit of support is highly, highly appreciated. Back to the video.
Okay, so next one is a simple word, but I really love it. Schildkröte.
Why? Schildkröte.
Schildkröte.
Yeah, it's a shield toad.
Shield toad.
It's a fat toad with a shield on the back.
It's a turtle.
It's a turtle, yeah.
So cute to me. I love it.
Schildkröte.
It's so literal. It totally makes sense. Like, it's a toad with a shield. The shield toad.
Yeah, that's funny sometimes how literal the words are.
I love that one. Another one that is pretty literal is Handschuhe.
Handschuhe.
Handschuhe. Imagine shoes on your hands. Handschuhe.
Gloves.
Gloves.
Handschuhe.
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 It makes
yeah.
sense.
I
like that. That was something I learned this winter.
Handshoes. Yeah, no longer
Handshoes.
gloves. Now it's handshoes.
Gonna go find my hand shoes. This is a very disturbing one in my mind. Zahnfleisch?
Zahnfleisch.
Zahnfleisch.
Yeah,
That's
Zahnfleisch.
so disturbing. Teeth meat.
Yeah, tooth meat.
Ew.
The
That's
tooth meat.
It means gums, like
gum.
your gums.
Yeah, we call it Zahnfleisch.
I mean, it makes sense, like the meat for your teeth, but I literally picture like a steak and then like teeth sticking out of it. I mean, it's your gums, but...
It's funny to talk about this because this makes me realize what kind of weird words we use, actually.
They're so literal, though. They make sense. They're very descriptive. I mean, I guess it's a little easy to remember the stem of every word.
Those are words you learn from an early age on. It's so normal to you, you know? And then you realize we're calling it weird things. Like.
I like it. Also, if you like food, this is gonna be a pretty early word that you learn. Noodle.
Knödel.
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 Yeah.
The German dumpling, usually made with like bread or potatoes.
And what I found weird is we have basically two famous kinds, the half and half ones, the potato, Kartoffelknödel, and then you have the Semmelknödel. And the Semmelknödel is basically what you use to stuff into a turkey, right?
Stuffing.
It's like the stuffing. It tastes exactly the same.
I love that.
It's like a ball of stuffing.
The reason the word is funny though, because it sounds a bit like canoodling.
Canoodling.
Canoodling. It sounds canoodle sounds like canoodling.
Yeah, exactly.
And so it sounds like you're like getting frisky with a potato.
Okay, today we're canoodling.
Canoodling with a canoodle. All right, so my next one is Du gehst mir auf dem Keks.
Du gehst mir auf den Keks.
Yeah.
Yeah, du mir auch.
Hey.
Yeah.
I'm just saying it. It means you're annoying me.
Yeah, but it translates to you're going on my cookie or you're walking on my cookie.
Yeah, get off my freaking cookie.
Yeah.
I just say the literal translation of it.
You know what's funny? When you like find out of these things, it becomes kind of insider jokes between us. We're using the literal translations of these things a lot. I'm just waiting for the moment going back to the S and saying these things. Like happened to me. I was at Publix. I was at Publix and we always called it Publix.
Yeah, we called it Publix together and then he said it
fun.
in a video.
You know, it starts out as fun and then it's getting normal to you and then you just keep saying that.
And then you just sound weird.
I'm just waiting for these moments to happen.
Get off my cookie!
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so this one's pretty funny. Kabelsalat.
Kabelsalat. Oh yeah.
Kabelsalat.
I was thinking what she's saying. Potato salad, noodle salad. No, Kabelsalat.
Yeah, cable salad.
Cable salad.
Which means like it's a mess, right?
But with cables.
Yeah, like with technology.
Yeah, it means like behind my desk where all my cables are and it's all messed up and it's not looking very tidy. It makes sense, right? The salad is a lot of mixed things mushed together.
But it's such a funny word in my
tangled
mind.
up cables. Kabelsalat.
Kabelsalat. This next one is a little immature of me, but I really like this word.
Best ones.
Ausfahrt?
I thought something immature is gonna come up here. But
sounds like asphalt.
Ah, yeah.
That's why I think it's so funny.
Ausfahrt. She's talking about Ausfahrt.
Which means exit. It's on every highway. You'll see the exit.
Every
Ausfahrt,
minute there's an Ausfahrt.
And I'm like, ich muss Ausfahrt. I have to asphalt.
Yeah, Ausfahrt. AUSFAHRT, and it's like asphalt.
It looks like asphalt.
Ausfahrt.
This one's a little funny. It's like dick.
Oh, yes, dick. Yeah.
Yeah, the normal. Which means thick in
du
German.
bist dick.
Yeah.
Ich bin dick.
Or dick noodles.
We're both a little dicker.
Dick and noodling. We're just a little dicker.
Yeah, dick is a super normal word in German. Super normal and just means chubby, fat.
Yeah, like thick.
Overweight.
Thicker. But I specifically use it for noodles. Like I like the thick noodles, like the dick noodle.
Dick noodle. She likes the dick noodle.
Yeah, but we speak Danglish sometimes, like a mix between German, Deutsch, and English.
Yeah.
And so when I combined certain words, like I like using the word dick. now. And so I'm like, I want the dick meat. I want the
Yeah, she says that. The dicker meat.
dick
meat. So normal in Germany. And first time you found out what dick means in English, it's freaking funny to a German because it's so normal.
Yeah, you're just like, oh,
yeah.
I haven't grown up from that age yet, clearly.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Okay, so the next one is Durchfall.
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 Yeah.
Durchfall.
Means falling through.
Fall literally means falling through,
It's a word for diarrhea.
which is so literal in my mind.
Yeah. Ich hab Durchfall.
I have diarrhea, literally. I have fall through.
Yeah.
Here's my body, it just comes out. Wow, we have a lot of bathroom humor.
So it's a word made out of two other words, right?
Yeah.
In German, it's durch, very common word, through,
Yeah,
because of, blah, blah, blah. Fall, or case, different meanings. But Durchfall, super common in your mind. You never, ever, as a German, separate it into these two words and think about the actual meaning.
Fall.
It's funny. And you just pointed that out to me. And I found that's,
It's so
it's
funny.
weird.
Okay, this is a little more PG, this one. Spielzeug.
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 Super common as a kid. You love them. Playing stuff.
Which is toys.
Yeah, it's toys. This is German for toy.
Zeug means stuff.
Yeah.
So it's so literal. Play stuff. Plaything.
Same meaning.
Kinda.
Yeah.
But if you say plaything, it sounds a little condescending. Like, that's just my plaything. It's like lesser than a toy, in my opinion.
Yeah, that's true.
Last one, I hope I pronounce this right because I always just use the English literal translation. Glühbirne? Glühbirne.
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 And it's so funny because you never think about what that actually means. And Glühbirne is just a light bulb.
Lightbulb.
A light bulb. But the actual translation word by word is glowing pear.
So fitting.
A Birne is a pear, the fruit.
Birne.
And then you have the glowing pear, which is a light bulb.
Do you have a glowing pear? I need the glowing pear.
Yeah.
I like that.
I like that one too. It should be named glowing pear.
Yeah, I'm gonna rename the English word to glowing pear.
The shape is there.
It's a glowing pear.
The shape is there. It's a glowing pear.
Wow. Anyways, I just thought those were really funny, and those were some of the ones. I'm sure I'll come up with more as I learn more German, but those were some interesting phrases and words that we have.
Maybe we should make a video about these different two words put together in German and having meanings. I think there are quite a lot of those.
There are a lot. Like shield toad. It's so literal and so
shield
cute.
toad is great.
I love that.
Yeah, I think that should be a good video. If you can come up with any suggestions, funny German words that have like a very direct meaning, let us know below, and that might make up for a good video in the future.
I love it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Goodbye.
Bye. I wanted to say thank you to all our patrons who have joined our Patreon page. We really truly appreciate your support, and it really does help to run this channel, so thank you guys so much for your support. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.